In this video, I'm going to show you how to get TradingView Premium. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser, then go to the search bar and look up Vivaldi Browser. Vivaldi Browser is the tool that we're going to be using in order to access TradingView, and it will actually go ahead and allow us to get TradingView Premium. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on this top link over here that says vivaldi.com. Then we need to go ahead and install this web browser. Now, this is a web browser exactly like Google Chrome or Opera GX or something like that. So basically, all you got to do is you need to go ahead and install this. Now, I already did install it, so I'm just going to go ahead and open up the Vivaldi web browser like so. So there you go. I'm just going to go ahead and press on open, and then we're going to get something that looks like this. All right, now that you're in the web browser, all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and then just look up TradingView like you normally would. And then go ahead and select on this link over here, the first link, the official link of TradingView. And then from here, you want to log into your TradingView account. Now, I already did log in, as you're able to tell right over here. But if you haven't yet, then you need to go ahead and log in. Since this is a new web browser, you need to go ahead and enter in your password. But anyways, guys, once you went ahead and logged in, here is what you need to do. So I'm currently using the free version. However, I can make it appear like the premium version through a very simple process. So let's say, for example, you want to go ahead and track the performance of Tesla. I'll go ahead and select on Tesla, and then all we got to do is make this into a full chart like so. And there you go. We'll get something that looks like this. We got the watch list over here. Now, basically, what we can do is we can go ahead and copy this link. Then we can go ahead and just paste it again and again. And this is going to be the amount of screens that we can have. So normally on Premium, you're able to display a bunch of charts and stuff like that. And with this web browser, you're basically able to do the same thing. So for this video, let's do 4 screens. So we got 1 screen right here, 2 screens, and then the 4th one. Okay, so now that you have something that looks like this, go ahead and press on the shift key on your computer and then select all 4 of these tabs. Then right click on it and select over here where it says tile 4 tabs. And as you're able to tell, it actually did work, and it literally looks like we do have TradingView Premium. So that's honestly really cool. And from here, you guys could do all of your work and stuff like that. We got multiple different charts as well. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.